This is Brian Winkle, Director of SIMIODE, and I thought we'd talk today about how to keep track of your favorites in your SIMIODE account. So here we are in an account, happens to be mine, and we're going to talk about how we keep track of favorites, both internal to our SIMIODE resources and external at your dashboard in SIMIODE. These are kept track of using the collections function on the dashboard, and let's just take a look at what the collections consist of. Here you can see that I currently have 2 collections, and there are 4 posts. The collections actually are favorites and readings. Now, when you go to your profile, if you just click on collections, it will automatically start a favorites, and it will actually say this for you. Namely, it'll tell you that the collection is by default favorites. This is the material that I have added about my material. It's perhaps talking to myself, perhaps talking to a viewer. And we have the possibilities here of adding materials. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this collection of favorites. And you can see there are 3 already here. We can organize them by grid, or we can organize them by an order or a list, or by the created dates. But what I thought I'd do is show you how we can actually add a resource or a favorite. So let's go find a favorite. Why don't we go and see if we can get a modeling resource that we're excited about, that we want to be sure that we can come back to. And so here's one on feral cat control, a rather nice modeling scenario. And it was done by Rachel Bayless and Nathan Pennington at Agnes Scott College. So you'll notice underneath your image, there's this little file cabinet. And if we click on that, what that says is, here's how you can collect items. And we're going to collect them into our favorites. Notice we had a collection called Readings, so we had a favorites. And I'm just going to say something simple like this for now. So we save it. It's been collected. We go back to our dashboard, and let's see if the collection took place. We go to collections, and we take a look at the collection of favorites. And in favorites, we note that there is now an additional item. We can edit it and write richer comments than we want on here. That's basically it. So what you need to do is go to your item that you're choosing, click on the file cabinet, and it will automatically put it into one of the collections of your choice. And we can now look at the other collection that I formed, and these were articles that I was hoping to read. You'll notice at the top of each of these, and the same with the previous ones, there's the exact URL, and this one happens to be internal to SIMIODE, but you can also have them external as well. And that's quite helpful because that allows you to find resources that you can see elsewhere. So again, this is a nice feature that the SIMIODE community has, namely the ability to store favorites. Thank you very much. Take care.